teach you the wickedest lesson in our history.
No matter what me tell you, you no believe.
We get it with that. Oh, fuck. Yo, what's up, peeps? You know what it is? KINGCHEVYVLOG for y'all. Yo, right over there, I'm gonna make some cake. Is it? I have my cake mix right now. See that? White cake mix. So I'm gonna make a cake mixer real quick. I have all of my ingredients I'm gonna need. Sorry for the bushing up your seed. Come on, go bob on the shape and thing. So is it? Here mess up, but still. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna show you what I have right now up on the table. I have about like, let me see, 7 items right now. Isn't it? So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. So right now this is our ingredients so I'm gonna use. See me? I have egg. I'm not gonna use so much, I'm gonna use about short tight. Butter. I have a hand mixer I'm gonna use. You know, I have a skillet and I have a tools over here, say. I have oil. I have a sugar I'm gonna need to make the icing. You see me? So that's all we need. You know the chef in the game already. So I'm gonna make now. I make a cake from scratch. Pre-mix, but make from scratch, you know, anyway. Icing from scratch, so get to it, see me? Tune in until we start. I'm gonna show you the process. Alright, so back again, you know, we have everything incorporated and put one side. We mix already everything. Butter with tin we're gonna use. So now we're gonna incorporate the egg and the butter and then we're gonna add the mix to it. And then after that now we put in the pan and we start bake. And we're gonna use the sugar and make with icing. As y'all people would love to say, you know, icing, not icing or frosting. I know people love sweets. So yeah, so back to it again until we're done. I'll show you how the process goes when you go in at it and everything incorporate. And it's gonna look it's supposed to be. And when it bake, baking part of the most best part of the whole baking thing is how it come out. Trust me, and everybody can catch this, but take it from my point of view. A chef know it go, and I can't tell you how it go. So alright, now let's get to no, then.
You know, so last night I tried to keep the brother camera, so.
Last night? You see it, so. Get all of this incorporate and everything. I see the one thing. Upon that beautiful butter. Beautiful and pretty. Yep, look at that. That's beautiful, bro. Look at that. Creamy. Look really nice. And yeah, all of this are going, you know. That look a small something here. Hope a lot still, but yeah, you know. I always butter your tray before you put it in the cake batter in it. It's like a burn and stick up in it. But yeah, we're gonna drop it in now and then afterwards you just go make the icing with one egg white, sugar, and I'm gonna use flavor, which is vanilla and get a flavor. I'm gonna use lemon in it as well to get a lemony taste. So I'm gonna see how that turn out, you see me? So bake it with chef, is it? You see me? Or you know? Alright, so I'm gonna start now. I pour it in it now. What? Yeah, see that? Done now. So a small something full up with cake butter. I'm gonna see how that turn out. What heap of butter in there, but yo, already know if we hit the oven side. So I'm gonna probably just carry this over, so I think. And yeah, see that? With that. Until then, perfect look. See here right now, I gotta just pre-clean everything, clean up here and stuff like that. So yeah, get them out of the way. So I'm gonna get rid of them here. I'm gonna throw it. This and this wash. And the cake mix is right here. So I'll make that set right there. I'll put some garnish and stuff on top of it, like some grapes or some other stuff. And yeah. So yeah, that's it. Until then, I'll show you what's going on. After when you finish, when it come out, it's gonna look really nice. And yeah, you know, right? The oven I preheat 350 it's supposed to go. Yeah, So that's the oven time right there, 350. You can see all of the smoke coming from the oven. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, just a wait, stainless steel, but wait. So I wait. But just look at that though. That's beautiful right there. Ooh. That is beautiful right there though. Yep, that is beautiful. Yep. So you can get it closer. See it, the ice is no. With our pot boiling water. See the difference? One egg, icing flavor. That cream to reach the creamy level I want it to get. That's the concern of it. See that get creamy? See it, so right now, see that? Running to sugar. One egg white and the flavor into the vanilla. See that? That's the result. It's supposed to come white and that. Keep on having a pot of boiling water. Cake na reach, cake na done. So yeah, see the peeps. Well creamy, look at that. See it? Creamy. That's how you taste, you know, when it actually creamy like that, which is like that. There it is. That is creamy. Probably do a taste this. Taste and see. Oh yeah. That's creamy. Oh, that is good.
When I left
None of that.